Have you ever had a conversation with a woman and felt like, wow, what charisma, what energy? She felt magnetic and you couldn't help but be drawn to her vibe. Today we'll talk about how to be a magnetic woman. A magnetic woman doesn't become magnetic by accident. She doesn't just rely on luck, looks, or charm. Her true power comes from within. She's aligned with the woman she wants to be. Her thoughts, feelings, and energy all work together. My name is Agnes, by the way. I'm a confidence coach at Psychology of Winning. I help women to step into their feminine power and become the best versions of themselves with ease and confidence. Many women feel confused and overwhelmed. They want love, but they feel unworthy. They talk about abundance, but fear there isn't enough. They dream of success, but live stressed out. And this mixed energy sends confusing signals to the world around them. But a magnetic woman chooses her energy every day. She doesn't wait for circumstances to change, she becomes the change. She decides who she wants to be and aligns her thoughts and feelings with that vision. She acts like the woman she's becoming, not the one she used to be. She stops needing approval from others because she knows her worth comes from within. She stops chasing love and success and starts attracting them by being true to herself. She's real, she's authentic and grounded. She builds confidence from the inside out, one thought and feeling at a time. When she walks into a room, people feel her presence. She's calm, confident, and magnetic. Not because she's loud or flashy, but because her energy speaks for her. She doesn't have to prove anything. She already knows who she is. She trusts what's meant for her will come. She doesn't force or rush. She aligns with love, success, and peace, knowing that her energy attracts the right people and opportunities. The secret? She stops chasing and starts being. She lives from her future self, not her past. She's not just reacting to life, she's creating it. So remember, true magnetism starts within. Become the woman you want to be, and your energy will naturally draw everything you desire. And if you're ready for change, click the link and get my pre recorded workshop, Don't Worry, Be Happy. And remember as well to join our Facebook group, Psychology of Winning, for more daily inspiration. Well, have a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.